Hi everyone and welcome to this video about data analytics for agriculture. Data analytics is a powerful tool that it become increasingly important in fields of agriculture, helping farmers to make more informed decisions and improve their crop yields. In this video, we will be discussing what data analytics is, how it can be used in agriculture and the benefits. First, let's talk about what data analytics is. Essentially, data analytics is process of using data to extract insights and make informed decisions. In the context of agriculture, this means using data from various sources such as sensors, drones, and satellites to analyze crop growth, weather patterns, and other factors that can affect crop yields. So, how can data analytics be used in agriculture? Well, one of the main application of data analytics is in crop management by using sensors and other technologies to collect data on crop growth and health. Farmers can gain insight into the performance of their crops and make more informed decisions about when to water, fertilize, and harvest their crops. Data analytics can also be used to predict weather patterns and other environmental factors that can impact growth of crops. By using predictive analytics, farmers can make informed decisions about planting and harvesting times and adjust their crop management practices accordingly. One of the main benefits of data analytics for agriculture is that it can help to increase crop yields and reduce waste. By using data to optimize crop management practices, farmers can produce more food with fewer resources, reducing the environment impact and increasing the profitability. Another advantage of data analytics is that it can help to improve food safety and traceability. By tracking data throughout the supply chain from seed to shelf, farmers and other stakeholders can identify potential issues and respond more quickly to food safety concerns. In conclusion, data analytics is a powerful tool that can help farmers to make more informed decisions and improve their crop yields. By using data to optimize crop management practices, predict environmental factors, and improve food safety and traceability, farmers can produce more food with fewer resources, reducing their environmental impact and increasing their profitability, which means you are in profit, you are in win-win situation. So using data analytics to agriculture activities are winners. So using this technology in recent times and in future, you will see more and more. So thanks for watching and we will see you in next video.